Okay.
Good morning, good morning. This is Lee from Fishing Gardeners. Uh, of course, Dee, she's holding the camera this time around. And as you can see, our attempt at growing corn was unsuccessful. They got to about this size and they just start dying off. Yeah. So this is the closest we're gonna come to the corner. We know it's not good yet, so we're not gonna even try to eat it. And we're just gonna go ahead and make some compost from it. We have a couple more over there that it's gonna end up being compost as well. We're gonna do a little different next year on our attempt to grow corn. But for right now, we're gonna go ahead and concentrate on making us a compost. Alright, we still have some new corn that we're planting. We're going to see whether or not that's going to do any good. Right here is where we actually pulled up. We had the 4 stakes of corn that started out pretty good, but they end up just being premature or whatnot. We still have a couple more over here and over there. We don't know whether or not they're going to actually come out, but we're rooting for them, and we're going to see what happens. All right.
Nice day.
Yes. And besides that, please like, subscribe, and give us a comment or two on what we could have done better. This is Lee and Dee from the Fishing Gardeners. Have a nice day. Bye.